Hi, this is Eric Strom with Covering Data Consulting, and I wanted to talk to you a little bit about SQL training. One of the first training classes I took was with Kalen Delaney a really long time ago, maybe around 04, 05. And I was going into that class young and arrogant as I was, thinking that I knew all this stuff, well, way more about SQL than I really actually did. And she taught me an incredibly large amount about the fundamentals of SQL internals, and also, you know, graciously humbled me too. So I kind of grew both as a person and as a technical resource when I took that class. And there was also another person who helped me grow both technically as well as helped me grow confidence in my capabilities. And that was Jason Strait. I was a full-time DBA at a place I will not name that he was doing some consulting at. And I really started talking to him about SQL and really enjoyed what he had to say and saw how passionate he was. And I had wanted to get sorted up, but I was really afraid. I didn't want to fail the test and all that kind of stuff. And one of the recommendations he gave me was, just take the test to fail and then see where you're at and just use it as a measuring stick, right? And I ended up taking like 3 tests in one of the international pass I was fortunate to go. I got 3 tests for free. I ended up passing all 3 of them. So all this worry about not knowing enough and maybe failing and all of that was really for naught. But it really took a shift in my mindset to be able to really pass that test. So as I just really reflect over my career and kind of different training and people I've learned from, I've found that I really valued people who, one, are passionate about what they do, as well as really are knowledgeable in the industry and humble. But they actually are doers. I've taken some classroom training that are just instructors that are teaching out of a book, and the most I got out of that was networking, really. So one of the things that I'm looking to do is, help others with some of the knowledge that I have, but doing it in such a way that it's not just, a classroom training that, you're one and done, or a web-based training where you can't really talk to the author. So I'm looking to do a kind of a hybrid course offering where you can both learn from somebody who's really done a lot of practical work, as well as be able to have an opportunity to ask questions and get some feedback. And so if that's something that interests you, especially around SQL servers, certainly let me know. Thanks and have a good day.